Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how we can make a WinPE for Windows recovery, restoration, installation and data backup and restoration, network configuration, disk management. So you can use it in many ways. This is the USB drive we will make, and if you boot from the USB drive, these are the programs you'll get. So first of all, you're gonna need a USB drive and a ISO file to make a bootable USB. So we'll get started. First of all, we're going to download the ISO file. So to download ISO file, you can get from the Microsoft website. Just type in WinPE and then download a ISO file from a reliable source. So I've added a link on the description where to download the ISO file from. So just go down below and then click on download now. You'll get the ISO file. Now to make a bootable USB, you're gonna need a Rufus or Yomi. So I'm going to show you with the Rufus. So we'll run Rufus and click yes. Now we are going to select the ISO file we downloaded. So click on open. You can select MBR or GPT, however you wish. Just write WinPE and then click start. Now your USB drive is ready. So yes, now if you restart your computer and boot from the USB, you'll be able to access all the things like you can disk management, creating, formatting, partition drives, and all the softwares it has on the ISO file. You'll be able to access them. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.